When utility forms depend on manual review, every backlog grows the chance that an outdated form, a missing disclosure, or a judgment call turns into a compliance problem.
This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us.
First, Amazon Textract working with S3 pulls out high-fidelity text and preserves the layout of complex utility documents, so tables, fields, and supporting notes stay in the right structure. Then Amazon Bedrock interprets that content with context, while a Node.js rules engine applies deterministic checks so every required field, format, and compliance condition is validated the same way every time. It starts with intelligent ingestion, pulling data out of unstructured forms and sending each document straight into the right review path. From there, a regulatory knowledge base gives the model grounded context, so it interprets each form against the policies and requirements that actually apply. And before anything moves forward, prompt management and guardrails keep responses controlled, auditable, and aligned with your corporate security policies. Regulatory compliance starts by checking each form against the exact rules for its jurisdiction, so a submission that works in one territory doesn't quietly fail in another. Then the review drills into disclosures, signatures, tariff alignment, and template versioning, catching missing terms, unapproved sign-offs, rate mismatches, and old forms before they create an invite miss or a compliance exception. When an output could materially affect compliance, customer communication, or downstream approval, it doesn't just pass through, it gets routed into a dedicated oversight and escalation path. That way, your reviewers spend their time where it matters most, on exceptions, ambiguous cases, and judgment calls that no rules engine should make alone. Not every requirement carries the same risk, so the score weights each one by severity and regulatory importance, giving critical compliance gaps more impact than minor formatting issues. From there, status levels separate compliant, partial or non-compliant, and manual review cases, while evidence links trace every finding back to the exact source reference that triggered it. Full screen B-roll scene. Business Compass LLC brings AWS AI, automation, and a compliance-first delivery approach to utility workflows, so regulated form review is handled with both technical depth and governance in mind. And because the solution is cloud-native and built to scale, it can process high volumes of documents across different utility environments without forcing every team into the same operating model. What starts as a manual form queue becomes a repeatable compliance engine, one governed pipeline that extracts, interprets, scores, and escalates every utility form with the same control every time. If you're ready to stop invite misses before they start, Business Compass LLC can help you put that workflow into practice.